Welcome back to know more about Among Us. Let's play the most trending and most interesting game nowadays. This is more interesting than PUBG even. So let's get started. This is the front page. Here we have four options. We will go online and this is the place where you can enter your name. Like I am entering ABCD. Then you can host a new match, means you can create a new game. There are three maps, you can choose any. Then you can choose the number of imposters are simply killers who just kill your crewmates. Then you can confirm and you can choose a maximum players, like I am choosing 4 here. And I can use language which I want to chat with. Then I can keep this this match public or private. And here I can change the dress color, like this is Kiani. Here you can change the hats, like I have chosen this flower. Now I have chosen this hat. Now all will join slowly. Here are maximum number of players required are 4 and one is there, that's me. Here you can choose it whether you want to play with joystick or you can play with touch also. Presently I am doing with touch, but after this I will use joystick. To change your clothes, their computer, you go there. And here means in this game you can also chat with your team members, means crewmates. And here the match has been started and I have found a match in public and I am using this. And the code is written here. Here maximum are 10 and there is requirement of 10 members and 9 are presently there. The who has host the game has started the match. And this is a secret, we must keep in mind, we must not share this. Means this, I have become a crewmate, means I am the member of this team. And I have the only duty of mine is to find the detective, means I have to become a detective, means I need to find who is imposter. And this arrow explains that where to go, means there are some tasks to be completed by us to win the match. And we can use this hints given by this arrow to complete the task. This tells about the place where the task is present. This is up to us that which way we want to go. Here dead body is reported and the meeting has started. The meeting was given by this KOTU bro. And this red button indicates that there is a chat going on. As I am going to type that where the deadly body reported, means I want to know that where the dead body is seen. We can talk with our friends, we can talk with our crewmates. And and the imposter used to say that, means he misguides us and tells that you are imposter, but in reality he is, means this is a trick to save himself. See, there was not imposter, means triple G was not imposter, but uh, due to the trick performed by imposter, GG was ejected, means he is thrown out of the game. At left side, at the top of left side, there is one task bar in green shade, means this bar must be completed to win the match. The task of crewmate is only to do the task given. And I am going to the place where the task can be found and I can do. and this emergency meeting is for that if the deadly body reported, then we can have the emergency meeting and we can make all the members announce that there is some dead body found. And this is the admin section, and this is the task given to us, means we need to insert the card. If we will do slow, then they will show that it's too slow, try again. And if it's too fast, then they will show that it's too fast, be little slow. And this is the proper speed maintained. See, emergency meeting is again, then there is discussion, and there are 3 members who can be imposter, then we can misguide everyone. After some chit chat, we can vote against the member which seems to be imposter. Like, I am going to vote against this. Here you can choose this green arrow button to do so, and voting is ended. And now I am thrown out because some have, as the imposter, misguides, and he said that I was the imposter, but in reality I was not.